Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the air. Air. So in the air, first we will learn the different types of ventilation. Ventilation can be of two types. One, we have natural ventilation. Second, we have mechanical or artificial ventilation. Natural ventilation includes wind which blows through a room, which is called as perflation. Wind blowing in a room is perflation. This wind will exert a suction at its tail end, which is aspiration. Diffusion. Diffusion occurs when it passes through openings, that is diffusion. Then we have inequality of temperature occurs in natural ventilation. Then we have second type, which is mechanical or artificial ventilation. In mechanical or artificial ventilation, it is actually of four types. One, we have first type, we have exhaust. Second type, air plenum, balanced and air conditioning. Exhaust is, in exhaust, air is extracted to outside by exhaust fan driven by electricity. With the help of exhaust fans, the air is pushed out. These exhaust fans are present in bathrooms mostly. Then we have plenum ventilation. Plenum ventilation, here the fresh air is blown into the room by centrifugal fans. That is plenum ventilation. We need balanced ventilation, which is both exhaust plus plenum ventilation. Together we call balanced ventilation. Air conditioning ventilation is more common nowadays, that is AC, which is simultaneous control of all the factors of ventilation, especially temperature, humidity and air movement. Together we call it as air conditioning ventilation. Then the next important topic is standards of ventilation. Standards of ventilation are three things. One is cubic space. Fresh air supply of 3000 cubic feet per hour per person is important. Then air changes should be 2 to 3 changes per hour should be present in living room, whereas 4 to 6 changes per hour for workroom. Then third, floor space. Minimum floor space is 50 to 100 square feet per person. Then the next topic is about some important points about air humidity. Air humidity is moisture content of air is air humidity. This air humidity is measured by dry and wet bulb thermometer. Air humidity is measured by dry and wet bulb thermometer. It is measured by hygrometer. It is measured by sling or whirling psychrometer. Sling or whirling psychrometer. It is measured by Aspen psychrometer. Then we have important topic is about air pollutants. Air pollution or pollutants are of two types. One, we have primary pollutants, secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are those emitted directly. That includes sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, particulate matter, chlorofluorocarbons, ammonia, radioactive materials, metals like lead, cadmium, copper are primary pollutants. Secondary pollutants include interaction between primary pollutants. Ground level ozone, peroxyacetyl nitrate are secondary pollutants. Then we have important points about chemical indicators of air pollution. The chemical indicators of air pollution. First, sulfur dioxide is the best indicator of air pollution. Smoking and soiling index. Air stain on filter paper is measured with the help of photoelectric meter, that is soiling index or smoke index, with the help of filter paper measurement. Third, grit and dust measurement, coefficient of haze measurement, soiling index, or finally air pollution index. All these are the chemical indices of air pollution. Then the next topic is about the instruments used in measuring air temperature. Air temperature of the air is measured by dry bulb thermometer, wet bulb thermometer, 6 minimum, normal, minimum and maximum thermometer. It is also measured by 6 minimum and maximum thermometer and silvered thermometer. Then mean radiant temperature is measured by global thermometer, whereas environmental heat is measured by wet globe thermometer. Environmental heat is measured by wet globe thermometer. Cooling power of air or low air velocity is measured by kata thermometer. Then global warming. In the global warming, first, greenhouse gases. Water vapor is the highest contribution of greenhouse gases. Highest contribution is water vapor, followed by carbon dioxide, which is second highest contribution. Methane, ozone. Ozone is beneficial as it cuts down the UV layer transmission. But the chlorofluorocarbons, which are seen in refrigeration and ACs, they will deplete this ozone layer. Then we have Kyoto Protocol. Kyoto Protocol is put forward in 16th February 2005 and this is signed and ratified by 187 countries. Targeted reduction in transmission of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, sulfur hexafluoride, perfluorocarbons and chlorofluorocarbons. All this has been put forward in Kyoto Protocol, where 187 countries signed to reduce these substances transmission. So this is about air pollution. Thank you for watching.